It's John Champion and Jim Beglin alongside me here at Old Trafford.
Hi John, it's brilliant to be here with this fantastic atmosphere. I think we're in for a treat.
This is very pleasing on the eye. Sloppy pass, intercepted. Great chance for the counter. It's on for him. Slides it through. Maybe now. And he's there for the follow-up, and it's taken with some style. 1-0. The keeper just didn't deal with it, and his team has paid the price.
Oh, nobody will have to tell the keeper he's messed up there. I can only assume he took his eye off the ball.
They've gone ahead so early in the game.
Oh look, the first goal can have a big effect on any game, but it has to be backed up with the right attitude. Don't ease off now, going at a second.
A fine display of slick passing. A timely intervention. The linesman's kept his flag down. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? Yep, referee's gone to his pocket. It's a yellow for a fairly careless challenge he didn't really have to make. Could have been another colour too. Certainly some sections of the crowd think red would have been more appropriate. And the keeper's there to claim it.
Well, that free kick looked too far out for a shot.
Wants to get this forward. Tries to slide it past the defence. It's opened up nicely for him. And the chance accepted with some aplomb. A moment of significance for Manchester United. And no one could deal with the pass, and a great finish to follow too.
Well, it posed such an awkward question, track the ball or track the run. In the end, they managed neither.
So we resume with the scores back level.
Oh, I think the coach will really be annoyed with that. The players were still thinking about their goal and just got caught napping.
That wasn't the best of passes, really. Looking to carve open the defence. No, that won't be finding its target. Shoots here. Keeper claims it. Tried to play it through. No, beaten to it. Got it. He's got in, looking to thread it through. Plays this forward. Clear. Intercepted. Got it. This is lovely passing to watch. It's clear. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? Half an hour played here. He plays it through. And he'll get the shot away here. And the keeper's there to claim it.
I think when you're in front of goal like that, you really should do better. That's a poor finish in the end.
Plays this forward. They're breaking out quickly here. He's looking to play it into the channel. Ball stolen. It's on for him. Looking to thread it through. Hits it. Oh, so close.
Oh, he couldn't have hit that any better, and any other time it would have sneaked in. That will encourage another try, though.
Chance, well within his range. Still level, but just 5 minutes to go to half-time. Could be a chance now. And it's just veered off to the left. Wants to get this forward. Chance for a counter then. And he'll shoot here. The half-time whistle goes.
Yeah, their supporters will be very happy with that performance. I think their team kept plugging away, never stopped working despite the setback, and I think they deserve to go in on level terms.
The sides locked level at 1 goal each. He plays it through. Going for goal. What a reprieve that was.
I think the coach will be really annoyed with that kind of sloppiness to allow a shot like that.
Slides it through. This could be interesting. He created a great chance there.
Oh, such a good ball to get him through. Showed real vision and awareness then in trying to pick him out.
A fine display of slick passing.
Yeah, they're just finding it hard now to produce that extra bit of craft that can make all the difference. That key pass.
He's got in. Got it. No, it was cut out. Good footwork, creating the counter-attack. Plays this forward. Sends it towards the centre. Pushed away. "60 minutes on the clock. Tried to play it through. Knocks it out to the flank. They've won a corner. Tries to slide it past the defence, and it's gone out for a goal kick. He's looking to play it into the channel. It's come through to him nicely. Possibility here. Goal! And that completes the comeback. A resounding drive. I can't imagine he's hit any better than that.
Oh, the contact was fantastic, right on the bootlaces, and it packed a lot of venom for what was a really potent strike.
He's got 2 in this game, he's on a hat-trick. They now lead by 1 goal.
Yeah, they deserve great credit for turning things around, but they'll now need the defensive resilience to equal that attacking flair.
And here he comes.
There just isn't enough movement for them. They're struggling to make a breakthrough. Well, once the keeper lost control of that, it could have gone either way, but it was a good reaction from the defender.
He's got in. Oh, it's been cut out. He plays it towards the corner flag. Wins a throw. Almost 75 minutes on the watch now. And that's come to nothing. Now the chance! Great link up! It's on for him! And his shot off target.
Well, he knew exactly what he wanted to do before the ball even arrived, and that made the chance far easier. He read it before any defender.
Wants to get this forward.
Well, that was simply an example of poor vision and awareness. The obvious route to take there was out wide, and he failed to spot it.
And they look for the spaces on the flanks. A strong run, looking to make things happen. And indeed it is a yellow card. No hard feelings between the 2 players, but there was an air of cynicism about the foul. Manchester United have this free kick. Another scoring opportunity here. And he's going for it. An opportunity missed.
Yeah, he could have made the game safe had he converted that. Such a big disappointment.
Fires it from distance. I don't think that was ever on target.
Well, he caught that one right on the meat. Cracking effort.
Looking to carve open the defence.
Yeah, it's all very easy on the eye, but I think they're just missing something a little more incisive now to complement some very good build-up play.
The pass needed to be better there. Now he's ready for a shot. Picked it off. The pass cut out. It's on for him. Tries to slide it past the defence. And a shot here. Cleared away to safety. There we have it, the match is all over. Well, that certainly was one heck of a game. A great performance, real drama with the